Welcome to Smile Through Maths. The topic for this lesson is ratios, the age preambles. So sometimes students get confused with the age preambles. I want to share my experiences with you. So let's consider this example. The ages of Eve and Bernice are in the ratio 1:2. If the ratio of Bernice's age to Joyce's age is 4:5, what is the ratio of Eve's age to Joyce's age? So we are going to analyze this question sentence by sentence. So from sentence 1, we realize that we can map Eve's age to 1, and we can map Bernice's age to 2. From the second sentence, we can map Bernice's age to 4 portions, and we can map Joyce's age to 5 portions. And the third question is the third sentence is the question. So right from the very first sentence, we can see a relationship in between B and E. So you just map this one to this. So when you map B to 1, it will be B multiplied by 1, which is B, which is Bernice's age, is the same as E multiplied by 2, and that will give us 2E. So it means that Bernice's age is twice that of Eve's age. So we come to the second sentence and you realize that there is B here. So you do your substitution. B is the same as 2E. So 2E is the same as, or you can use is 2, or you can use the same as 4. And Joyce's age is the same as 5. But then you want to map Eve's age to Joyce's age. So it means that we can do something here. When we divide through by 2, we would get, so let me do it here. So you have 2E is to 4. So you divide here by 2, and you divide this side also by 2. Eve's age is to 2. So you realize if we are mapping Eve's age to Joyce's age, then we'll say that it is 2 is to 5. Let's consider this example. The ages of a father and a son are 10x and x years respectively. In 32 years' time, the ratio of their ages will be 2:1. Find the sum of their ages. So you go through it sentence by sentence. So the father's age here is 10x and the son's age is x. From our second sentence, it says that in 32 years' time, so in 32 years to come, so if we assume that the father is 30 years now, then in 32 years' time, the father will be 52 years. So it means that whatever age that he has now, we need to add 32 years to it. So in our second sentence, the father's age would become 10x plus 32. And the son's age will also become x plus 32. You realize that the ratios, we talked about, the sentences talked about it in our second sentence. So in our second sentence, the father's ratio is the same as 2, and the son's ratio is the same as 1. When we get here, we would relate the father's age to the ratio, the son's age to the ratio. So let's go ahead and do that. So the father's ratio is 2. So 2 is the same as 10x plus 32. And the son's age is 1, which is the same as x plus 32. And because these ones are expressions, kindly put them in brackets. So we cross multiply, and this will give us 2 multiplied by x plus 32 is the same as 1 multiplied by 10x plus 32. So we do our cross multiplication. So 2 multiplied by that is 2x plus 2 multiplied by 32 will give us 64, which is the same as 1 multiplied by 10, which is 10x plus 32. So we group like tens. 64 minus 32 is the same as 10x minus 2x. So 64 minus 32 is the same as 32, which is equal to 8x. So divide here by 8, and we divide here by 8. So 4 is the same as x. And x represented the son's age. So son's age is 4. If the son's age is 4, the father's age will be 10 multiplied by 4, which is the same as 40. And so the sum of their ages will now be equal to 40 plus 4, which is 44. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.